Hi, welcome to IT Bus Solutions. Today we will talk about AWS SysOps exam, or you can say that certification guidelines. So as you can see, the first topic or domain will be monitoring and reporting. So in this we'll see like how we can monitor our AWS infrastructure by CloudWatch as a service and creating some matrices, alarms and notifications on our emails. So this will cover the 22% of your exam questions. So the next part, you can say that our domain will be high availability, like how you can scale up your instance immediately without any fall. Maybe you can use for that auto scaling group and other services as well. And the third one is deployment and provisioning, how you are deploying your code onto your servers. So that will cover 14% of your exam questions. Fourth one is the storage and management, like EBS, S3, Glacier and all of these things, like what is the storage provided by AWS and how we manage our data. It can be like regular backup and so many things. So 12% of questions will be from this part, storage and data part. Okay, so next if we move forward is security and compliance, then networking. In this you will be going to focus about networking part like VPC, peering connections, route table, route 53, this kind of stuff, or maybe security group as will fall in this networking part. Apart from that, there will be automation and optimization, that is the last part of this course, and total of this will be 100%. So mainly if you want to focus, then you have to focus on this 22% part and this 18% part. And yes, these will be the most of the these will cover the most part of your course. And the next important thing I want to tell about this SysOps exam only, that is it's with multiple choice questions. You will also get few questions of lab. Okay, in this you have to do some practical and then you will get your marks. Suppose you have 5 multiple choice question of 10 marks, just an example, and one question of 10 marks as a practical lab. So I will say you will be benefited in the lab exam. If you will ask why, then suppose from the 10 questions you did 5 correct or 5 wrong, and in the lab suppose you have started your task. For example, there will be a scenario like create a high scalable environment and it should be receiving all the traffic and set up an alarm. That's it. So what you can do, you can starting with creating instance and then creating a load balancer and then adding those instances to a load balancer, right? And at the end you'll just map it to a domain or something, right? So for example, you were able to cover 80% of your lab successfully, and maybe 10-15% you left. So what will be the scoring will be around, you will get from 7.5 or 8 marks out of 10. So the lab exams will be helpful. Okay, so this was the only theoretical, or you can say that like this lecture. From the next you will be able to see all the practical sessions. Follow with me and we will be able to clear this exam. Thank you, have a nice day.